It's so beautiful out today. Um, it's so gorgeous out here today. And I wanted to take full advantage of just this beautiful day and the beautiful weather. And I'm reminded of the beauty in not rushing and just slowing down and taking time and just appreciating wherever you are in your life, because there's beauty in every single moment. And it's so crazy because we can get so caught up in wanting to I recognize how much I talk about not rushing, right? And it's so much beauty in the not rushing, because you're able to really just sit with where you are, what it is that you want to do, how you want to do it, and all these beautiful things within it, right? And you're able to really see clearly all the different aspects of it. And that's the beauty of not rushing and just allowing and being present in the moment. It's just allowing the moment to be what the moment is, whatever it may be, and also being okay anticipating what's to come, because you may already know what's to come, right? But not rushing what's to come, because it'll come at the right time, in the right place, in the right frequency. And I'm sitting here amongst the trees and thinking about how I'm looking at this one tree right now, or even this one tree that's behind me right now, of how it takes so many years for this one tree to get to this point. This tree is probably like 60, 70 years old, maybe even older than that. And look how large it is. Like, it has so many branches and it's so intricate. And it took years to get to that point. And all we see is the tree that it is right now. We didn't see it when it was underground. We didn't see it when it was a smaller tree, when it barely had leaves and branches. And you know, at any stage, we are that tree. And it's beautiful. But I love trees. But I think about that saying of the present is a present, and it truly is a gift to just be in the present, not worrying about the future, not replaying the past, but just being in the present. And yeah, and really honoring what you feel, what you want, and all the things. And even me, like I can get caught up in the past sometimes, but I recognize that sometimes I get caught up in the past because I'm trying to understand what my present is telling me. And I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but and then I can just settle into the present moment. So just recognize how beautiful the present is and the gift that we have in this moment of just the beauty that it presents to us in every way, because it really is. And I can go back to my last video on love and how when you have a love, cherish it, honor it in the present, in the moment. And in all things, just honor what it is right there in that moment. Because life changes, and it can change in an instant. It can change in an instant. Yeah. Today has been a good day, and I hope that it is a good day for you too. Yeah. Namaste.